3, wow, it dived down right in front of me. And it's back at the mirror. And it flies over there. They never do this. Now, I'm not going to speculate what causes this. I'm sure people have all kinds of theories. And some would say it has something to do with my targeting. I'm not going to weigh in one way or another. I have more of a scientific mind than you might think in that regard. I don't jump to conclusions. I wait for an abundance of evidence. That also is, in terms of God, I tried trying to predict things before I came to my martial art conclusion that the prophet is someone, and then I'm going to check is someone